Let's set the scene. You've spent hours, maybe even days, meticulously editing your latest piece of content. You've got the cuts dialed in, the pacing is, well, totally cinematic, and the hook is perfect. You take a deep breath, hit upload, and crickets. Absolute silence. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're not just staring at analytics. We are pulling back the curtain on the machine itself. We're exposing 5 hidden settings that are basically acting as silent gatekeepers to your channel's success. All right, let's breach the system. Okay, let's dive into this. 0. It is literally the most soul-crushing number a creator can see, right? It's the cold, hard reality of launching your beautifully crafted, high-quality content into an endless, unfeeling void. You're just sitting there refreshing the analytics page over and over, wondering if the algorithm is broken or if it just actively hates you. But what if I told you that 0 actually isn't a judgment on your creativity at all? Here's the reality. Your channel isn't invisible because your content lacks value. It's invisible because you're pulling the wrong back-end levers. Think of YouTube not as this giant audience waiting to judge you, but more like a highly complex, high-security vault. Right now, you're accidentally tripping the alarms and locking yourself out before the viewers even have a chance to walk through the door. You're basically navigating the control panel blindfolded. So let's confront the very first gatekeeper. When you upload, you're faced with this seemingly innocent question. Is this video made for kids? Look, unless you are actively creating nursery rhymes or, colorful toy unboxings, clicking yes is a fatal error. It forcefully ejects you from the main stage. You are instantly exiled to the YouTube Kids platform, hilariously but accurately describes as getting kicked out of the cool party and sent straight to the kiddie table. Your homepage traffic vanishes. Your recommendations, dead. You absolutely must click no to protect your content and keep your algorithmic heartbeat alive. Seriously, get this setting wrong and your content basically disappears like your socks in the washing machine. Just sit with that for a second. Hours of your life gone. This one single incorrect click at the primary security checkpoint dictates the entire lifespan of your upload. It's a devastating oversight that instantly neutralizes all your hard work. Now, what's really interesting is this shiny, newly implemented AI flag. YouTube now asks if you're using altered or synthetic content. If you click yes, you are essentially raising a massive red flag, telling the system, hey, I'm a robot from the year 3025. The result? You're ghosted. Your views flatline faster than you can blink, and you are launched straight into the void. But click no, and that exact same piece of content suddenly has permission to exist in the browse and suggested feeds. This filter is incredibly harsh right now, especially on shorts, but it's creeping in the long form too. So you need to know exactly when to confidently click no to survive this checkpoint. Consider this your safe zone debrief. If you're using stock footage, if you use AI voices, or if you're relying on faceless scripts, which realistically is like 90% of ambitious bedroom creators right now, you click no. The only time you must declare yes is if you are actively faking real-world people or real-world events. Otherwise, deny the prompt and keep your reach intact. Now, before we advance to the really tactical growth settings, we've got to talk about the sheer exhaustion of production. Because you can have the best settings in the world, but if you're burning out editing at 2 a.m., you're going to fail. This brings us to a crucial turning point, made possible by the sponsor of the source material, Clippy AI. Consider this your automated production asset. You just choose a trending format, like those viral fake text combos or Reddit stories, name your project, and let Clippy AI execute the viral short. It completely ends those agonizing manual editing sessions, which frees you up to focus entirely on strategy. A real game changer. The trap and the loop. This is where we move from algorithmic defense to total offense. All right, let's execute a ninja move designed for total suggested domination. First, you build a playlist, but you give it a catchy, irresistible name, something highly clickable like Secret Growth Tactics. Put your best, highly related videos in there. Next comes a super tactical maneuver. You don't just share the standard playlist link. Instead, you go to a specific video inside that playlist, click share, and generate a time-stamped link. Finally, you activate that link by dropping it into your description and pinning it as your top comment. So the crucial point is this. When a viewer clicks that specific time-stamped link, they aren't just watching one video. They are instantly loaded into your curated playlist environment. This forces the system to heavily recommend your other videos next. You're fundamentally turning a passive, one-off viewer into a dedicated binge watcher. You're trapping them in this seamless cinematic content loop that the algorithm absolutely loves and rewards with massive exponential scale.
To really compound this momentum, we engineer the end screen funnel. Amateurs just slap a generic subscribe button at the end of their video and hope for the best. We're going to operate like professionals. Instead of a subscribe button, you select the specific playlist you just engineered. Since it's a playlist, the thumbnail of the very first video automatically populates on the screen. When they click it, autoplay triggers. Boom! In one sitting, you've just effectively turned one single viewer into 4 separate views, multiplying your watch time exponentially.
But, as with all high-stakes maneuvers, there's a fatal catch. 20. End screens only legally appear in the final 20 seconds of a video. And let's be brutally honest here. The vast majority of your viewers are going to dip out long before they ever reach that 20-second mark. Let's examine the timeline and map out our tactical response. We have to anticipate that highly volatile attention span and late intercept points before they escape. At 0 seconds, the video starts. By 15 seconds, their overloaded brain is already whispering, next. So, at the 10-second mark, we strike. We drop a playlist card to give them an immediate alternate route within our ecosystem. Then, mid-video, when engagement is peaking, we drop a channel card. Finally, for the survivors, the end screen funnel activates 20 seconds from the end.
That mid-video channel card, that is your classified secret for building an inescapable tunnel to lock viewers into your world. If you have an alternate channel, or maybe you want to cross-promote an editor's channel, this is exactly where you deploy it. You are pushing viewers deeper into a controlled ecosystem right at the very moment they're most highly engaged with your content. Now, execution here is critical. Look at the contrast. If you use boring generic text like check this out, literally nobody clicks. You have to deploy teaser lines that spark raw, undeniable curiosity. Texts like, don't miss this editing tricks channel, or edit like a pro effortlessly. You gotta appeal to their desire to uncover a secret. This maximizes your click-through rates and guarantees the trap springs shut.
As it was perfectly described in the source material, these aren't just suggestions, they're traps for the curious brain. Think about that for a second. You aren't politely asking them to stay, you're leveraging human psychology to make it nearly impossible for them to leave. You're forcing the algorithm to recognize that your channel commands attention. And this brilliantly illustrates our final phase, the breakout, triggering the ultimate algorithm love. This requires a complete mindset shift. You've got to transition from being a passive uploader, merely hoping for the best, to an active algorithmic tactician. When you implement these 5 assets, the exact same assets used quietly by the biggest creators on the platform, you stop flatlining. You watch your baseline shift from 10 views, scaling rapidly to 100, and then explosively breaking out to 10,000 views and beyond. Exponential scale isn't an accident, guys. It is engineered. Oh, and as a quick bonus, for those who want to access a daily cache of these tactics, the source offers a free Telegram channel packed with daily automation and shorts tips. And the absolute best part, there is no hidden $997 course upsell waiting for you at the end of it. Just pure, tactical intel for creators who are actually willing to execute. So we've arrived at the ultimate crossroads. The mechanics have been exposed, the security gates are unlocked. The question is, will you continue to let your channel remain invisible in the dark, or are you finally ready to deploy this arsenal? I highly encourage you to experiment with these settings on your very next upload. When you start seeing that exponential cinematic shift in your views, jump into the comments and share your success with us.